In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best digital clamp meter available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the digital clamp meter list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the digital clamp meter mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, BSIDE Digital Clamp Meter Fork DC/AC. The BSIDE Digital Clamp Meter is a professional-grade tool capable of measuring currents up to 600 A. Its open jaw design allows for easy clamping around cables and conductors without the need for physical contact, ensuring user safety. With true RMS capability, it provides accurate readings for both DC and AC current, making it suitable for a wide range of electrical testing tasks. Additionally, this multimeter offers functions for measuring voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and continuity. Number 4, KAIWEETS HT206D AC/DC Digital Clamp Meter. The KAIWEETS HT206D is a high-precision digital clamp meter designed for both AC and DC current measurements. With true RMS capability, it ensures accurate readings even in complex electrical environments. This versatile tool also features functions for measuring capacitance, frequency, resistance, and non-contact voltage detection, NCV, making it an ideal choice for professional electricians and technicians. Number 3, Aicevoos Digital Clamp Meter AC/DC. The Aicevoos Digital Clamp Meter is an auto-ranging tool capable of measuring currents up to 600 A. With true RMS technology, it provides accurate readings for both AC and DC current. Additionally, this multimeter offers functions for measuring voltage, resistance, capacitance, and non-contact voltage detection, NCV, making it suitable for various electrical testing applications. Number 2, SNAKOL Digital Clamp Meter 600 A. The SNAKOL Digital Clamp Meter is capable of measuring currents up to 600 A with true RMS accuracy. Its smart plier design enables easy one-handed operation, while its auto-ranging feature ensures quick and precise measurements. This multimeter also offers functions for measuring DC and AC voltage, frequency, resistance, and non-contact voltage detection, NCV. Number 1, UNI-T UT210E Digital Clamp Meter. The UNI-T UT210E is a digital clamp meter designed for both AC and DC current measurements. With true RMS capability, it offers accurate readings even in nonlinear loads. This versatile tool functions as both a clamp meter and a multimeter, allowing users to measure voltage, resistance, and frequency. Its compact design and ergonomic pliers make it convenient for various electrical tasks.